Uba san bor shulai ulong bo omnan jing temu bani kun biang election MP shak Lok Sabha. Barwada ke MP election kabalalong ha kesnam arajar kat kundairu shimladan jing mut ndrai lai teo shok election ka BJP kala JDU bani kun yak election MP. Barwala ulate bo on ampai shak thong ndrai ulai bentap kerteng kum kertong ke BJP bani kun yak election. Ulong bo ulayo opor tang lai tayo. Bat kalong kabaya shibun menteri kam na kebentar lai pun teliki constituency Hendrai haki constituency kebetulan hasor shilong ulah job ek election. Kat bahaki constituency kebetulan haki than no kendong shimlayo ek jing job. Uba sanbor shulai ulong malara keseng kebatha biang menekun ek election MP kumudukot jong keseng un hab banlet thap kerteng bat ban pan ek jing kersan no pat ba ban penjob yu hakan ek election. Uba san bor sulai ulong shosho ba dan jing tep yig ba pan tiket ke BJP. Ndrai ula shi leng ba kilat patai kubor bo ba AL hack ula pan tiket bane koni election MP balada keseng ka ai tiket yono yonuru kumu dekot ke BJP un mi bet chakamat manelab election bat ban trish tam ban penjob yu kertong keseng. Ubasan bor sulai ula pan paru e jing benyau yu rukam trekam jong MP bementa uba Vincent H Pala. Bo chimlei e ne kebentang ke bahak kemiat jong pat ba bat ke jing job juu kalong ke besep namar san senem ulo syusyong sekendong bat mentagi pat ba ke jela kila babi. Uba san bor sulai ulong balada wan penyaso Dr. Mukul M Sangma ba Vincent H Pala syakaseng BJP un pediang subhai ki dek basyang sendan dek karpet rongsau negaret karpet. Ulong bagi nong dalam keseng BJP keladon lu kathong ban penklan ye keseng bat kle trekat bala ban pensutu agi pat ba ban penyaso syakaseng BJP. Kumtala da ba Vincent H Pala bar Dr. Mugul M Sangma kiwan rong syaka BJP on pediang subhai ki da kebasyang sendan negaret karpet. Ubasan bor sulai ulong namar buli i gijing mi ikhilap thai kubor kumta kam don jing AU ban ye keren bat ki. Balada ki penpau ke jing kloy ban penyaso syaka seng BJP un sepentip shkenong yalam ki bahak le edu jong ka BJP.
Every day for 5 years you have to work. But it is very difficult for 13 days to convince the people to work for 36 constituency. It's not a matter of joke. But even then, I'm very happy that in urban constituency, I won the election. I defeat Bapala with a huge margin. I cannot remember, but if I'm not mistaken, in the last MP election 2019 in the urban constituency, I defeated more than 20,000 votes.
Atau visong kumyo kaya ada one room BJP.
Ini kum ka parti nilai kamen pi napo parti hai kaman yengi kalau ada lupa ka top but party agenda kalong ba ban to strengthen the party. Tekamut kamu ngi terikat bala ban persautu ibu bukan join ke BJP. Kalau di ba pala nilai iwan tapi ngi welcome ni. In welcoming in Aiga red carpet welcome ye by in join Chipoka BJP.
Tu film willing nam punya pediang nam ada dia bawa Dr. Mukul wan punya.
Tapi bawang ya pi ba ngi nuli napo parti akaman yang bawa klanya ke parti. Te udah wan Dr. Mukul nuli in Aiga red kumban wadi ba pala red carpet welcome to the party. Kumingine ki leader ki bala ki veteran leader juga state ke in term of politics.
Atau kita jengku ba nakaliang jong pi personally komunong da BJP pelit mengkeren ini arut makin one room nak ke BJP.
Sebab ngayo pun ngalai keren. Abang ngalai tu kubur tu te kamdon jinge yang abang like based on the newspaper. Personally I go and meet them then I'll see that based on the newspaper if you are willing to join. Dengan like bani akan lagi. Lagi orang join but ngisa send a message to the party high command Delhi. They come kini ki leader par ki along veteran. Ndai begin join the position law, can join Chipo Delhi. Before the union minister, before the party leaders of Delhi. Uba pala te kumbaga si yung mga nakapor sa kapor kaba hakala selection arajar kagandai. Hadin bang file nomination damit agasi nga mga file nomination damit kumba news ting prabadi ngayo ka telephone call na honorable home minister union home minister Amit Shah ji te bo bless ya wong Sulai ji try to win the election. You are young, you come, because once you win, work hard and win the election, because if you win, you will be the first Lok Sabha MP from Meghalaya. So I'm giving you a plump portfolio. You are young, sports department I'm giving you, and donor I'm giving you, and other portfolio I'm giving you to strengthen the youths, to strengthen the party in the northeast, especially in Meghalaya. That commitment has been given by our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji during our conversation on the evening of that nomination day. But very sorry to say that Bapala to you see, Sansnem la sulong sabay. Mday tang mga bong kipay ba baro kisaki. He have done nothing for the state. He have not taken up any issue concerning the interest of the issues concerning the interest of the people of the state. The uklamle the sabay ke hangta. Muriba pala ta sansnem bhay issue songsan dong. The mentaki regret kipay ba jang Meghalaya. Da jin bagi penjob danga. Tengalayo long union minister telah ora da gadut bergangap kumbolong union minister apo Assam apo Arunachal apo Nagaland bersek kiwi northeastern state kiban BJP MLD thousands and crores of developmental scheme te kadang-kadang kajing do nong ba kraw iki ba jungi apo kana ka rikasi centia ba ngidu ya kana ka kabu banyo long minister ka pala commitment ten re kipai ba ki jid ba pala pet sabe ngam dan ye percaya ba pala re ngong kumu ka performance kumu MP apolog sa PE kipai ba bro ki nil dan ye
Bahaya kepada minister orang ka sarkar i dan yang ka jintang banyak kon yang ka MP election fis ngong kumno halor ni ka don sai ka chance ka BJP bukan job ni kon bahaya.
Ya kata tang mga manong tang ba nga shui kumba pi shui pokor kubor ba hek ak jing yakran mat ki media ba ki press pantiket di ladi te ladanga ngayale gumtu nga job orbon ko si ba hek tang mga manong kasong hopan ba lai job nam job te ka song ho pai ba ban rai ban pet ban rai ka provided lada ka parti ka ay ba hek enre kumubrio ko parti ki ayono na ka liya ka parti lar ka nominate yun kumubrio ko parti nga ban mis kamat ban tre
Kamu dari tiket di bahaya klo kunci kamet ban penjob i. Kisong na maka BJP ka ban penbanana udwat ya ka tang jong no ko tong sang ngunjok ban trai khamha ban penkret antara ni election.
Aji sisa te kat ka MP election to kumno minimum 6 months before the election will ade ban penbanana candidate. Kanang ba he will have ample time to cover the base, especially the voters in the villages in the rural areas. Minimum MP election comprises of 36 constituency.